Peppers, tomatoes, and apples sway in the breeze of a community garden. Katie Sorrell, Human Sciences Specialist.
Nutrition security is having consistent and equitable access to safe, healthy, and affordable foods, and everyone deserves the right to be nutrition secure. But in Iowa, 1 in 6 children are nutrition insecure, and 11% of our population is nutrition insecure. And food pantries help to alleviate that.
A drone slowly flies over a large community garden. Volunteers are tending to the many fruits and vegetables.
So Growing Together Iowa is a mini grant program funded by USDA SNAP Education. They create and maintain gardens, and they donate all that produce to a local food pantry, along with recipes and tip sheets on how to use those fresh fruits and vegetables. We had a shared vision to increase access to fruits and vegetables and provide nutrition education and gardening education to Iowans who were nutrition insecure.
Melissa Stimple, Executive Director of Waukee Area Christian Services.
This garden started in 2009 as an opportunity to fill the gap in the food pantry with nutrient-dense, healthy items.
The inside of a food pantry is shown. The shelves are fully stocked with non-perishables and fresh vegetables from the garden. Julie Linz Robeson, Waukee Area Christian Services.
The food pantry itself serves over 450 families a month, which can equate to 2-3 times that because of the amount of children that they have. The importance of fresh, nutritious produce is really critical for our clients, and they get very, very excited when they see it.
Megan Will, Master Gardener Coordinator for Dallas County.
This garden impacts community a lot. The clients are able to come and get for free vegetables that maybe they wouldn't be able to afford.
Mary Kay Brinkman, volunteer.
People who don't have a lot of money tend to buy things that are cheaper, and fresh produce is expensive, so it's just a great way to help people live a healthier life by getting fresh produce.
Volunteers are seen adding soil to the garden and harvesting potatoes.
The first years, it was just a couple of plots of, the tomatoes and the basic items. Now it's almost 2,000 square feet of incredible garden space. It really gives an opportunity for people to learn where their food comes from, like the little kids when they come out with their family.
The Bittner family, volunteers.
How does it feel about helping people be able to have food? Does that, yeah?
It makes them feel glad, and if they are glad, then that makes me happy. And look at that.
Oh, that's really nice. Yeah, it's good to see that that we can help people locally. It's just a great feeling to go out there and do what we can to help those who may be going through a hard time.
The Bittner family brings potatoes to a washing station to clean off the dirt. The children are laughing and playing with the garden hose.
Food pantries in Iowa are serving a record number of clients each month, and Iowa State University Extension and Outreach is directly meeting that need with our expertise with the Iowa Master Gardener Program and our SNAP education. By providing fresh fruits and vegetables to clients, it frees up SNAP dollars and grocery budgeted money to buy other needs for the family.
A close-up of a hand picks up a can, and the shot dissolves into a close-up of a hand picking green beans. Plums, an eggplant, and berries sway in the breeze.
It's no secret that inflation and the cost of groceries is skyrocketed, and that includes fresh produce. So when you're going to the grocery store and you're pinching every penny that you have, and you're making choices of paying rent and utilities, you need to make those dollars stretch. So unfortunately, families are not buying those nutrient-dense fresh ingredients that they really need, and so I just really feel like this fills that gap.
Animation of Iowa State University Extension and Outreach wordmark. Text appears below. This institution is an equal opportunity provider. For the full non-discrimination statement or accommodation inquiries, go to www.extension.iastate.edu/diversity/ext.